Day 7. Here we go, the last day. Today is the day we become millionaires. We're going to go downstairs and make it happen. We haven't done much to start the day. We've both been working. Now we're going to
talk about how I haven't been sleeping because...
I don't need to talk about that. Yeah, I have a cold, so I'm snoring like I keep Huddy up all night. Anyway, it's about lunchtime, so we're going to go downstairs, grab some lunch. And our plan for today is Center Strip. We haven't been down there much this trip. So we want to hit up Cosmo again, Bellagio. And then I've got all kinds of Tito's that I should probably cash in before I go home tomorrow. So we're just going to swan around on the middle of the strip. And like I said, become a millionaire. Maybe we'll do it at each place we go to. So that'd be nice. Anyway, we'll see you guys downstairs. All right. We stay here at Resorts World, I don't know, a few times. My wife's sales meeting is here. And we've stayed here ourselves a bunch. And that pizza place back there is never open. I never know when they're open. It's Tuesday, I think. Yes, it's Tuesday at lunchtime, not open. I've tried to go there so many times, and every time I go there, it's closed. Anyway, rant over. Now it's on to something else. All right, Heidi went up to finish some more work. Lunch was about average. Heidi's ramen was way better than my nachos. My nachos were, I don't know, you could have made them at home for just as good. But against my better judgment, I'm waiting on the Dragon Link over here with the maxed out major. Somebody's on it. So I'm just walking around until they're not on it. But should I hit anything on that, I will let you know. All right, somebody, they're still sitting on it. So they have $10 craps right now, which is unheard of. So I'm gonna go try that, and then hopefully by the time I'm done over there, the guy will be done off the Dragon Link. So I'll let you know how the craps goes. All right, no luck on craps, of course. Luckily, it was only a $10 limit, but I'm gonna give this Dragon Link a go. It's finally open, so let's get it. All right, we're in. Those are the numbers on offer, and I need to make that look like 200. But we got a 100 ball right there and a 25. So some big numbers, and maybe they bring some more. That's some minor, but that's all. Okay. All right. All right, come on. Well, it's something. I'm down $5. So maybe I'll play a little more. I'll take it down to 175 and see if I can get anything. All right, nothing, just the one bonus. So down 25 at Dragon Link. Did not get the major. Down 150 at Craps. So down 175 for this afternoon. I'm gonna go back upstairs, get ready, because I think we'll head out right at 3 o'clock. Head down to Center Strip. Maybe have some better luck over there. We shall see. We're finally heading out for the night. It's about 4 o'clock. When we come to Vegas, we often work, so that's a benefit of working from home. But anyway, we're heading out, headed to Center Strip. Probably start at Cosmo, maybe? I don't know.
That's his unsure voice,
Yeah.
if you didn't know.
We were going to go to the pool earlier, but I looked out the window and there was like 4 people there. So didn't seem like a fun time. We've been to that pool. It's a nice pool, but
It needs a good vibe.
Yeah.
And today is kind of a boring vibe.
it's kind of dead here.
Yeah.
I was gambling down earlier and I was pretty much the only one
It's like
down
not
there.
a soul.
So anyway, we're going to go see if we have better luck somewhere else.
And find a party.
Yeah. Yeah, and find a party.
But we're not going to have to get rocket fuel
No,
drinks.
not that again. Anyway, we will speak to you then. All right, Resorts World High Limit. So if you don't know, now you're gonna know. You don't even have to gamble in here. If you just sit down at a machine,
Oh, also this.
the drinks flow
Green juices.
like wine. And they do have like other like fresh juices. So this is like a green juice. It's got like apple, kale. I forget what else she said is in it, but it's pretty good.
And it's free.
And it's
I
free.
mean, we tip her well.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. As long as you tip her. We've never had a problem with any of the waitresses in here. And we very rarely gamble in here. I mean, I have. I've got my ass kicked over at Baccarat before.
Oh, like
Yeah.
it was not good.
So the gambling here at Resorts World has not been good, but the drink service in the high limit room
It's always spectacular.
is always good. So if you don't care about gambling and you just want drinks, just come over here, throw 100 in the machine, and don't even play it. Just let it sit there, and you get drinks. Like I said, they flow like wine. So we're on the Buffalo Trace Old Fashions and
Green juice.
the green juice.
And
So
the Fijis.
and the Fijis. So cheers, boys. We'll see you when we get over to
When the gambling gets better.
Yeah, when I win $1. All right, I'll see you there. Out here waiting on a lift, going to Cosmo, and we're sitting in the high limit room, and I ordered some like Buffalo Trace Old Fashioned, a Fiji, and a green juice. And then I jokingly said, "How much could I literally order?" Because she wrote it all down without even shaking her head. And she goes, "You can order $100 per person
Per time around.
per time around." So
And we weren't even gambling.
I wasn't even gambling, but that just goes to show you, Resorts World High Limit, the drinks there flow like wine. Maybe that's why they're going bankrupt. I don't know.
Oh, are they really?
But yeah, I don't know.
But
There's also
also-
nobody in there.
Also, the center bar, what do they call that?
Crystals.
Crystal bar. You get the high-end cocktails there for,
Yeah.
with your
for
video
comp.
poker.
Yeah.
And the play there hasn't been too bad, but nowhere near as good as Fontainebleau.
Yeah, the video poker at Fountain Blue has been far superior
Yeah.
to anything I've found so far. So, all right, we will let you know when we arrive at the Cosmo.
What I'm doing. Faster.
That was a trick question. Well, I walk away to get a player's card, and Heidi pops a thingamajig on the new hot
come
pot,
on, don't let this be it.
and she
Come on, come on, come on. Yes.
there, and she's not filming. So
Don't look like it 2 times 2.
what? All right. This is on 1 cent.
Hold it up.
Nice.
Come on. Yes.
Hold it up.
now.
All right. Press the button. 60. How much did you put in?
20.
20.
Well, really.
Yeah, that happened pretty quick.
See?
Oh, she got the super lanterns. Interesting. But those pots are still throbbing. Did we play?
We keep going, but you play that one over there.
Okay.
We should do both of them.
All right. Well, now I'm gonna have to go get another player's card.
Wait.
All right. Now I'm on this guy, which is right next to the one she was on. So we shall see what happens. Still plugging along over here. We waited for our drinks. And no dice so far. And $100 later. 60 for Heidi, 40 for me. We are gonna go find something else to play and hopefully win. All right, we're on Jackpot Carnival now. I'm gonna do 40 maybe through here. Let's see how good our willpower is to stop at 40. But maybe we won't even get there. We're on the old fashions.
Yeah, it'll be a first spin Johnson.
Yeah, I saw one today. I saw a first spin Johnson. I was in the Resorts World High Limit. Guy walks in, puts in money, first spin on a $25 bet. Just hits a freaking bonus on Dragon Link. And I had to leave because I was angry.
He said, I don't even gamble.
Yeah, the guy's like, I don't even gamble. But he did there and he won. Anyway, let you know if we get anything. All right, we're in. I believe we want the Buffalo free games. So I think we can get that in this. Could be completely wrong, but let's find out. Read trigger. All right, off to a good start. Oh, sorry, Fastman. Idiot. Oh, whoa. Needed one more Buffalo in the fourth column. Times 5. All right. It's $30. All right, re-trigger. All right.
Come on. Please, we deserve something good.
Another re-trigger. All right. I needed a Buffalo in the second column there.
Come on, re-trigger.
Oh, we needed one more in that fourth column. 10 spins left. Yes.
Now give us something good.
Oh. We have queens times 4, times 2, times 5. Oh, times 2. Yeah. Oh. Close, but no cigar. Times 5. Elks times 3 times 2. Yes. Five of a kind 10s. All right, come on, something good here in the last 2. Big trigger.
Congratulations!
All right. All right, we got that up to 194. I think we'll take that and move along.
Yeah.
All right, now we're on the Stadium Baccarat.
But not at the Palazzo, so
No.
not right by the drink ladies.
Yeah, we'll see how the drink service is here. We are at Cosmo. The chandelier bar is right behind us. So we shall see what the drink service is like and how we do here. All right, do not play over there. There's no drink service, absolutely none.
At the Stadium Baccarat.
Yeah, it's not like the Palazzo.
No.
So if you're looking for drinks, don't play there. Quick bathroom break, and then we're going to find something else to get on
Yeah.
to become a millionaire. All right, we'll see you. All right, we're on our way to Aria. Drink service here at Cosmo is, bad. So we're going to head to Aria. Hopefully they got better drink service. Down $20 here.
Not too bad for
I
2
made some
hours.
really stupid Baccarat bets. But anyway, we're going to go make that 20 plus 1 million over at Aria. So, bye. All right, at Aria, on the triple stars. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully drink service is better than Cosmo, because it couldn't have been any worse. So, here we go. I put in 40, with a nice little line pay of 30. So, I'm up $12. $12 and no drinks. So, we're on the
Off
move.
to the high limit.
Yeah, off to the high limit to find some drink service because this has been not good so far. So we'll see you when we get a drink. All right, I've never played this game. I'm gonna give it a go because we finally found a drink lady. The drink service so far has been suboptimal.
It sucks. It always sucks at the Cosmo and it always sucks
Sorry.
at Aria.
But I'm guessing that column being all the way up is good. I don't know. I've never played it. I'll let you know if we hit anything. Well, 50 through here. I have no idea what is supposed to happen in this game other than...
I don't like this game. It
Yeah,
doesn't do anything.
I don't know. I didn't see one arrow in 50 spins. Yeah, I don't get it. Well, Thad Nichols, if you're watching this, I have your card. You can come find me. Never, but here's your card, Thad. All right, we're on the hot stuff link.
We're gonna get the grand.
No, we're not. But maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, why would you say no, we're not?
That's why I changed my mind.
bad
Maybe we
karma.
are.
You can't even say shit like
Maybe we are. We'll give this a 50. See if we hit anything. We will let you know. All right, we put in 100 plus some Tito's that were laying here, and Heidi accidentally hit a 50-cent bet. And the first spin Johnson here. Let's see.
Landed a bonus.
Let's see how well the 50-cent bet will pay off. Oh, that one up there did something.
What's the hot stuff do?
I have no idea.
It's a wild.
I guess he's wild. Well, 3 games left. Press the button, apparently. Okay. Something good, please. Okay. That wins $4.10.
No way.
That's what it says. One game left. Make it good.
And it wasn't.
No. Oh, is he gonna pop? No. He's not.
Got excited.
Alright, he did get excited. He had a little bulge in his pants. So. Alright. I don't know. Are we gonna continue here, or are we gonna take the $6 and leave?
I say we do, but like no 50-cent bets on accident.
We leave or stay?
Keep going.
Okay, we'll keep going. Alright, we're back in. A couple spins later. This time at $1 bet.
Yeah.
What a bet there it is, at $1. You hit the play button. 6 free games. Okay. Does that do something? Alright, we were in double bonus territory. Well, let's see what happens now, because I have no idea. I guess
Look
it's
how
like
cute he is in his little diaper.
I guess it's like a hold and spin.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Like not even anything.
and nothing. It'd be funny if we don't even win that. What was crazy is I saw the major go by, and we got $8. Alright. But we should have some free spins left. Yeah, 4 games left. I don't know if the... Yeah, what happened? I don't know if we got 6 coins that popped it, or... I don't know.
We got the mini.
No, we didn't.
Oh, it went up there though. Wow, $10.
Alright, $10. We're up to 107.94. We just need $900,000.
We need the $13,000
Yeah,
grant.
no. Actually, we need 900,000. 900
Oh,
and $90
$1 million.
and 93. Yeah, a lot to become millionaires.
That stupid Buffalo game.
Yeah, I have to say this game is pretty active. $26 line pay. I mean, not much, but I would say there's been more winning spins than losing spins. So I think we're gonna take the $26. I don't think it's gonna pay out much more than that.
No.
So we're up $31 here. So down 20 overall.
We're crawling our way up to the $1 million.
Yeah, slowly but surely.
Yeah.
I will get to the million by being negative, because right now we're down 20. So we're on the move. We're gonna swan around and see what else we can find. We have a credit at Posh Burger. We also have a reservations at Lemongrass.
But we're not going to do that because I
I
don't
don't know.
feel like eating that. But what about Bang Bar,
And there's also Bang Bar we've never done.
which
so,
I really want to do because Kaylee and Jason say it's amazing.
Yeah, shout out those guys. Shout out the Coin Show.
They have the best show, the best YouTube out there.
Anyway, all right, we're on the move. All right, we moved over to Mega Vault, Mega Bucks, because we're not going to become millionaires
Unless we really go
unless
for
we
it.
hit that.
We should talk to the camera though. Flip it around.
There is $1 million. Fuck it, I'm not even going to talk about that. Anyway, there's some tools here, which is neat, right? There we go.
Stop.
All right, well, I'll let you know if we hit anything here. Is that good? Yeah. First spin Johnson. Literally first spin Johnson. Luck has arrived, appeared in 8 games. So let's
We
get.
just need the $10
Can I don't.
million. Can
I don't-
you not get that?
I don't know if I can win the $1 million in the free games, but I guess we'll find out.
This is very exciting. Wow, it's so immersive.
Yeah. And there's like Locking Wilds, I believe.
How many games do we get? 8.
Don't know. Yeah, 4 of 8. So far, we're at a $0 win.
What a tease.
Okay, 240. Okay, wow, we won $3. Well, how about that?
Wait.
What is happening? I don't know. I think we won $81. 81 bucks. All right. So I think we'll take that and probably run with it.
Yeah.
This is a fun
But
little
this
game.
game is really fun. This
Yeah.
is probably the best one we played all night.
Yeah. So I put basically 140 into the game, and we're at 180. But we sat here for a while, so I will see you in a bit. Yes, hello. We ran with the 180 from the Mega Bucks game, Mega Vault.
Mega Vault was so fun.
Yeah, that game was a lot of fun. We just passed the gem bar. I know a lot of people love it, but the one time I went there,
Daberson's, it's not good.
they love it. But the one time we went there, it was just an awful experience. It wasn't Frenchie, it was a different bartender that was just like rude, and
He was so rude.
he was so rude. So we haven't been back since. Anyway,
He made fun of our Resorts World and
Yeah,
the
'cause
fact
we're
that
staying
you
at
can get
Resorts World.
unlimited high-end cocktails in the high limit room, and he's like, they're gonna get arrested.
Yeah.
No, they won't.
yeah, that's literally what he said. He's like,
Yeah.
they're going to get arrested. And as I just talked about earlier, that clearly is not the case. And you can get high-end cocktails over there, up to $100 per person.
Per round.
Per round, yeah. So, anyway, so we've always avoided the gem bar because that guy really ruined our experience over
Yeah.
there. So, anyway, I'm walking in circles
Now we're
now.
walking in circles.
I just got a comp through the My Vegas.
Did we tell
shit.
him what happened on the machine?
No, what happened?
Oh, we hit a bonus.
Oh yeah, they saw it. They
Okay,
recorded
cool.
it. Well, it was a line pay. I actually don't know if I recorded that. I don't know. It was like 100. I know I'm rambling.
5 old fashions in.
Anyway, got a comp for Posh Burger
Yeah.
through My Vegas. We've never had it before, so we're gonna give it a go.
gonna try it.
We're gonna split a burger, then we're gonna head back to Cosmo and try Bang Bar because we've never had that either. So we're just gonna.
We're gonna do some light munching.
Oh yeah, light munching. Oh. And then we'll go over to Bellagio because we haven't gambled
Still
there
going
yet.
in
We're still
circles.
walking in circles. Anyway, all right, we'll talk to you in a bit. All right, quick bathroom break later. Heading back to Posh Burger, but it occurred to me that my wife here, Heidi, there she is. She was like, the Daversons. And I'm like,
That's not even their name.
that's not even their name. No one's gonna
But
know.
it is confusing. It's really Dave and Sonia.
It's Dave and
combined.
Sonia from San Antonio.
Yeah.
They do Vegas
We
vlogs.
watch their
We
stuff
watch their stuff.
religiously.
Shout out Dave and Sonia. We have no idea how to say your channel name, so we've always just called it The
FYI, we're also huge Disney fans,
Yeah, so
and we love your
they-
Disney content.
Dave and Sonia, they go to Disney too. They have a son. They take him to Disney all
Yeah.
the time. But yeah, we have no idea how to pronounce their channel name, and we've always just called it the Daversons. We thought that was their last name, but I think it's just Dave and Sonia.
Joke's on us.
Joke's on us. Anyway, if you haven't,
Anyway, Dave, you should never have cut your hair.
yeah, she loves her hair.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you haven't checked out their channel, go check it out. They're again way better at
great.
this than us, because
And Coin Show. We love you guys.
we already talked about that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, we'll get this Posh Burger and be on the move.
Yeah.
All right.
Are you drinking my drink?
Yeah, maybe. We're at Posh Burger. We had a 10 off 20, and we were just gonna split something, so we didn't want to get two things. So we got a double burger, but holy shit, this burger's like it weighs like
Massive.
fucking
Look
3
at this.
pounds.
Look at this. Look
It's-
at that.
it's
Look
huge.
at that.
So like this is a double is definitely shareable
Yeah.
between two
Plus
people.
the
I'd say.
onion rings.
Plus we got onion rings, so it was like $24 in
Yeah.
total, $10 off. So I had to
I
pay.
like this song.
I had to pay $15. Not bad. So we're gonna split this and then probably head over to Bang Bar because we've never had that either. So we're just gonna have a smorgasbord for dinner tonight.
If we even make it that far, because we've had like 16 old fashions.
No.
16.
And then Bang Bar, we gambled already at.
Shout out to Jason and Kaylee because you made. Look,
She like obviously Jason and Kelly like
Yeah.
she's in love with you because he doesn't stop talking about you.
mostly
But,
Jason.
We are gonna anyway. Bang Bar. We already gambled at Cosmo,
Yeah.
so I don't think we're gonna gamble. It's just we're gonna
The
eat.
gambling here was pretty good though.
Yeah, Aria was pretty decent to us. We
Yeah.
stayed alive for a long time.
We
And I-
found a drink lady who gave us like 3 drinks.
Eventually, we found a drink lady.
Yeah.
If you can't tell.
You kind
But,
of have to just hang out in one spot once you see one and
Yeah.
hope for the
hang out,
best.
Yeah. But anyway, so Posh Burger, Bang Bar, and then probably Bellagio. We haven't gambled at Bellagio yet.
Yeah.
And if we have time, probably Petrosian Bar because I'm addicted to that bar. So we'll see what happens. We'll see you at Bang Bar.
I need to smoke a cigarette. That was so good.
I can't believe that's the first time we've ever been to Posh Burger. But that burger slaps. So good.
Yeah.
And if you get a double cheeseburger, you go 2 people,
Oh, it's more than enough.
more than enough. Like, I know we're still going to Bang Bar just to try it because we've never done it. We'll just get one thing there and split it, but I'm already full. Like,
It's so good.
yeah, you get a double cheeseburger, split it between 2 people. That burger slaps.
Everything about it was executed perfectly.
It's more expensive
You
than
couldn't get a better
Yeah.
better burger in like a high-end restaurant.
It's more expensive than In-N-Out, but
Yeah.
it's also I would say way better than In-N-Out. In-N-Out you can't beat for the price. Like you just want a
Yeah,
cheap meal here in
obviously.
Vegas, hit up In-N-Out
Yeah.
because you won't be disappointed. The burgers are great. If you're not from California, like you probably
No Shake
no.
Shack
If you
boys
are,
and girls.
yeah, no. What I meant, if you are from California, you're probably like shut the fuck up. You know, like In-N-Out's great. But anyway, In-N-Out is a
Shake
cheap.
Shack, boo.
Yeah, I prefer In-N-Out, especially for the
We do.
prices.
Yeah.
But anyway, if you have a comp at Posh Burger, holy shit, $15
Beautiful, beautiful burger.
fed us both. I still can't believe that's the first time we've ever been there.
He's still quivering from
Yeah.
his burger.
It was so good. Anyway, we're on the move to Cosmo now. Okay, so Bang Bar also slaps. flames, whatever you want to call it.
Slaps really hard. You wrap.
I don't know which one's better, Posh Burger or Bang Bar. But I would give them both a try. Yeah, we got the U-Wrap.
It was so good with
It
the
was so
spicy
good.
pork.
Yeah, we got spicy pork U-Wrap. So good. Like I said, I can't decide which one's better. We're heading to Bellagio now, and we will speak to you then. Right, we're in the Bellagio. Fun fact, don't push those doors.
Stop on you.
Everyone comes in and they try to push the door and then it stops. Don't touch that revolving door and you'll be fine. All right, we're gonna find a game and find a drink. So let's go. All right, we are on the high limit, top dollar. We're going for broke. It's 15 a spin. Put 100 in. Let's just see what
That'll
happens.
give us 4 rolls. No, more than that.
Math is hard.
Math is.
So we're halfway through my $100. Nothing to report.
Are we halfway through already?
We're halfway through.
That was fast.
This is new to me. Again, the high limit slots in Bellagio is all like open now. Like they took the walls out. It used to be kind of like behind walls and like in a cage, kind of.
Maybe it's like
This
direct
is,
to consumer marketing. They want the lesser than to see how the rich people are
Yeah,
doing.
maybe. I don't know. But we're waiting on drinks,
Yeah.
and then I might spend the rest of this. I
Or
might
cash
not,
out.
Or cash out. We will see.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Nothing on the high limits. I only spent through 60 over there. Thought better of it.
Because drink service sucked.
Yeah, no waitress was in the high limit room. I came over to this mega vault. We had luck at it at Aria. It was a fun game. We'll see what happens here. The mega vault over there was a total bust. And I've literally never played an Ultimate Fire Link, so we're going to give that a go. Right around the top dollar, that's $25, which is stupid. So
No.
we're going to try again. Sorry for the glare. Wow, $30. Try again. $35. It says best play is take offer.
Like, are you serious? Fuck these machines.
Yeah, if you're only playing top dollar, I find it almost impossible to make a profit
Joke.
because the bonuses are so bad. Yeah, cash out. So the only luck I've ever had with top dollar is playing like $5 or higher, but a dollar denom top dollar, no bueno. At least I got her money back. I'm down 50. We'll find something else and we'll let you know.
Suck.
Okay. Leaving the win. I mean, we're going to the win. Leaving the Bellagio.
How many old fashions does this guy have?
Not enough. Not enough. Bellagio is not good to us.
No, I don't like the win. I don't like the Bellagio. And yeah, I think that's it for the shit list for me.
The drink service in the Bellagio
Sucked.
and Cosmo were just horrendous.
Also, like we went to the video poker bar, and the bartender was going to give two shits about us.
Which one was that?
At the Bellagio.
Oh, yeah.
We had to like beg him for water.
Yeah. I don't know. It was just an off night over
Go
there.
to Fontainebleau. Do your video poker there.
Honestly, that's been... I hate to sound like a Fontainebleau fanboy, but it's been like the best.
We are
this entire
fanboys.
trip. All right. Anyway,
On the
we're outside.
fangirl.
Now we'll see you at the Wynn. Hey, if you're coming to Vegas soon, I don't know what happened with the Lyft and Uber updates, but I've been having the darndest time getting them to come to my location. So I'm at Wynn Southgate right now, and he called me and told me that the pin was at the south end of like the Venetian. And I noticed that the last time we were here at the Wynn, it wouldn't let me select Wynn Southgate because it thought I was at Harrah's. It was like, where do you want to be picked up? Harrah's? I'm like, no, I'm at the Wynn. So I don't know what's going on with that. Just for future reference, if you're coming to Vegas soon, just be aware. It's being weird. And the ride before this, it said to pick up at Resorts World to drop me off at Resorts World. So my driver went to Resorts World to pick me up at Resorts World and then drop me off at Resorts World. And I'm at the Wynn. So I don't know what's going on. Just a heads up. Anyway. Surprise. You thought we went to bed. That was a joke. We're not in bed. We're at Resorts World. I got an itch in my eyebrow.
It's a little busier tonight.
It's a little bit busier, but honestly, it's a nice little reprieve from like the craziness that was happening at like the Bellagio and like Cosmo. Although Cosmo and Aria both got us good. Bellagio not so much. So here we are. I'm gonna walk around. I hate to be that guy, but we're waiting for that goddamn, sorry for saying goddamn again. We're waiting for that machine. I played it earlier. It's got a maxed out major on it. I flushed free play through it 2 nights ago. Flushed the money for it this morning. I'm gonna try again and we'll see what happens. But somebody's sitting on it. God, I hope they don't get the major. As soon as they're off, we're gonna hop on it, and if we shall get anything, we shall let you know. Well, we were on it. Those are the numbers on offer. I didn't want to be that guy, but I sat over there, waited patiently.
We were creepers.
I was kind of creeping, but with the max out major, I've seen multiple people on this game. It's still maxed out. We're gonna give it a go, and I will speak to you when I get the major. Well, we are still here, and you know, as the great Matt Bridger says, sometimes you just gotta push through. So that's what we're gonna do. That 100 probably has to look like 6 for this to, that's not true. It's probably gotta look like 3 for this to be,
We'll just break even.
to break even. But I'm after that max out major's been there for 3 days. 2 days? Don't know. It's been there for some time. So I don't know. Let's get it. We're gonna get it right here and right now, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Well, we're in at the 150 bet, so I'm not expecting much, but hey, weirder things have happened. Those are the numbers on offer. If you haven't been watching, they're there. Let's get after it. All right. Okay. You know, I said I was after the major, but I was like, if I'll take the grand, I wouldn't complain. There's light in that one hole. Now there's light in both of those holes. Come on, 1. Negative. Nothing. So what is that? 50 bucks? $55. Thank you so much. Alright, that's a little ammo. I'm going to continue after it because at this point, you know, fuck it. So, I'm either going to bed with the major or without the major. The machine gets to decide.
Or the grand.
Or the grand. But we will let you know if anything happens. Alright, we're on it on the $100 bet. I have literally no idea how far I'm into this game for. But I basically need that major to make up for it. I think I'm into it for what, 4?
Yeah.
Maybe 400? So that's got to look like 41.14's got to look like 400. I really don't think it's going to happen on a $1 bet.
So like, stop saying things like that.
Alright, keeps us alive. Keeps us alive. I saw a $50 miner go by. Alright. Come on. Keep the dream alive. Alright, we're still going. We are still alive. Okay. Alright, 1 to keep the dream alive. Oh, hey, wow. We're 3 away from the grand.
Oh my god.
There we go. Music change. Light in that tunnel. Now there's light in that tunnel. No. Alright, let's see what we got. Wow, 32 bucks. That's so close to making me even. All right. 73 bucks. I'm gonna need 73 times, no, 73 plus 1,600,000 to be a millionaire. That'd be great. So here we go. Well, that finally did it. We did not get the major. And that was probably the last thing we're gonna do. Probably gonna go to bed now because I don't have any more money. So,
Oh boy.
yeah, the major's still sitting here. If anyone wants to come get this maxed out major here at Resorts World. I was trying, but I didn't get it. Anyway. Like I said, it was a weird trip. Weird trip. We should be back in December. Actually, I know we'll be back in December, but I'm just panning over this Dragon Legs Happy Prosperous. I don't know why I'm doing this.
He's not very prosperous. He did not make us happy.
I did push through. I pushed through, but I didn't win. But
sometimes, boys and girls, that's how it goes.
I have a beautiful wife, so I'm winning in life. So, all right, we're gonna go to bed, and we shall see you
Tomorrow.
Well, not tomorrow. I don't know when we'll see you, but we'll see you then.